Hey guys, it's W. I was at Costco today. I saw they had this new electric bike on sale at Costco. It's the SONDORS Smart Step LTD electric bike. Costs $1,449. Comes in a nice square box, but it's actually folded in half, which is pretty neat. One of the main things this thing has is a large display in the center of the handlebar for your power readings and information. Folds in half, 5 levels of pedal assist, and a 10.4 amp hour battery at 36 volts, as well as a 36 watt hub motor. It also has front and rear lights as well. There's also a USB charging port built into the bike so you can charge your phone. Disc brakes in the front, very wide tires, for the tires, as well as good cable management and tie downs for the cables. It has front shocks as well. Folds in half, has has folding pedals as well, so it's nice and compact when you fold it. Kickstand, as well as braze-ons for the back for possibly a rear rack, which is nice. So you can see the down tube is actually pretty big because the battery is actually inside the down tube. Looking closer to this, there's looks like the charging port and power button for the thing. The cables are hidden inside the down tube, which is nice, as well as this folding mechanism is pretty much well integrated into it, which is very, very cool. Looking at this other parts, the wheels are nice and knobby, which is cool. So I guess you could take this onto the beach or beach rides. And it's a pretty wide tire. Anyways, the compact folding design looks like that. It folds in half, which is pretty neat. Anyways, guys, this is Tony W. I hope this quick Costco one was helpful to you, and this is pretty cool. Let me know if you want me to buy this thing, if they still have it on sale. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.